Hey guys, welcome to RevMatch 1970. I'm Mags and today we're installing wheel spacers on my 2017 Ford Mustang GT. Let's go. So here's the 2017 Mustang GT, ready to install the wheel spacers that I bought from CJ Pony Parts. I'm just trying to zoom in here for you, see how far the wheels sit inside at present. So this is the before video, naturally enough. Just zoom over into the back here. Hope you guys can see that, how far they sit in, especially at the top of the mudguard. Now these wheel spacers are going to push the wheels out about 25mm apparently. So yeah, let's get to it. Just unbox the jack and we'll get stuck into it. It's not going to be a how-to video here. If you want to see how to do it, by all means just check out CJ Pony Parts. They've got excellent how-to videos on everything Mustang related, that's for sure. So I'll see if I can do a link in the description of this video. But that's the before shots. So now I'm going to get stuck into it, fit all four corners, and I'll be back with the after shots. Hopefully we'll be able to see the difference. Alright, back soon. There we go guys, all done. Took about an hour, something like that to do. Pretty easy to do. A little bit tricky with the front wheels where you have to brace against the lug nuts or get someone to stand on the brake pedal for you, or you torque down the nuts that go onto the hub. A little bit tricky, but we got there in the end. Otherwise really easy install. Everything went fitted as per CJ Pony Parts show on their videos, and I think the result looks absolutely amazing. So there we go, really impressed with the end results. Very, very happy with it. I love the stance that it has now, with that extra 25mm push out. Very easy to install. Yeah, super stoked, but now it's a filthy, dirty car, and now I'm going to give it a clean. That's not going to be part of this video, that's for sure. It takes me too long, I'm too slow. But yeah, now it's time to clean up my tools and clean up my hands. If you like this video and you found it interesting, please give it a good old thumbs up for me. That'd be greatly appreciated. And if you like what you see on this channel here, please subscribe. That'd be great. All right, you guys have a great cracking weekend, and I'll catch you guys next week with a brand new video. Take care, have fun, see ya.